Jean-Baptiste Treilhard was an important French statesman of the revolutionary period. He passed through the troubled times of the Republican Empire with great political savvy, playing a decisive role at important times, without achieving the notoriety of some of his more famous revolutionary colleagues. He held a number of key positions: President of the National Constituent Assembly, President of the National Convention, Chairman of the Council of 500, member of the French Directory. Eugene Marbeau describes Jean-Baptiste Treilhard as a man honest and right, who was content to do his duty in the situation, but who does not seek to dominate events. He is buried at the Panthéon. Biography. Born in Brive-la-Gaillarde, Corrèze, to a father who was the président and maire perpetuel of Brive, Jean-Baptiste was a student at the Collège des Doctrinaires at Brive. Jean-Baptiste received an education balancing the requirements of science and of faith. After studies in law, Jean-Baptiste Treilhard settled in Paris and became, in 1761, a lawyer at the Parlement of Paris. He is a protégé of Turgot, future controller of finance to Louis XVI. Treilhard was retained to care for judicial affairs of the family Condé. French Revolution. Treilhard was elected deputy by the Third Estate of Paris to the Estates General of 1789, then to the National Constituent Assembly. His most important early role was in the Comité Ecclésiastique, where he took the lead in promoting the civil constitution of the clergy, a major reorganization of the Roman Catholic Church. He served one term as president of the National Constituent Assembly. Ineligible, like all the members of the Constituent Assembly, for the Legislative Assembly, he became president of the Criminal Tribunal of Paris, but was judged as lacking of firmness. Elected to the National Convention by the Department of Seine-et-Oise, Treilhard was president of the National Convention, and in this capacity served as first magistrate during a part of the trial of Louis XVI, in which he voted for death without reprieve. He was an inaugural member of the Committee of Public Safety, but was excluded by the Montagnard. He is imprisoned, but will survive the Reign of Terror. The July 31, 1794, after 9 Thermidor Year II, he returned to the committee until November 5, 1794. He would serve again from the 4th of May to the 2nd of August 1795. Treilhard served on 3 missions. The 17th of June, the 7th of August 1793, to Gironde and Lot-et-Garonne, with fellow deputy Mathieu. The 22nd of September, the 25th of November 1793, to Mali, with Augustin and Lot. The 30th of December 1794 to 4 April 1795, to Bec-d'Ambes and again the Lot-et-Garonne. Directory. Chairman of the Council of 500 in the month of Nivose, year IV. In 1796, he arranged the exchange of the daughter of Louis XVI, Marie-Thérèse of France, future Duchess of Angoulême, who was a prisoner of the Republic since autumn 1792, for the commissioners to armies betrayed by the General Dumouriez and turned over to the Austrians in spring 1793. After refusing an appointment as ambassador to Naples in 1796, he served as a judge of the Court of Cassation, before the Directory of France appointed him minister plenipotentiary at the Congress of Rastatt in December 1797. Treilhard became one of 5 directors, the chief executive body of France, the 15th of May 1798 in replacement of François de Neufchâteau. He chaired the Directory the 24th of August, the 27th of November 1798. On the 17th of June 1799, his election as a member of the Executive Board is invalidated by a resolution of the Council of Ancients, on the grounds of ineligibility due to an irregularity in the election. He is succeeded by Louis Jérôme Goya, Consulate and Empire. After the coup of 18 Brumaire, during the consulate, he was appointed the April 4, 1800 Vice President of the Court of Appeal of the Department of the Seine, and became its president on 1 January 1802. He chaired the legislative section of the Council of State in 1802, and participated in the drafting of the French Civil Code, the Criminal Code and the Code of Commerce in close collaboration with Tronchet and Portalice. He also served as a senator. He collected such honors as being named Grand Officer of the Legion of Honor 14 June 1804, and Comte de l'Empire 24 April 1808. On 30 March 1809 he is named to the Council of State, a position he held until his death. As officer of the Empire, he is buried at the Pantheon 5 December 1810. Under the Directory, he entered the Council of 500, of which he was president during the month of Nivose, year IV, and was a member of the Court of Cassation, as well plenipotentiary at the Second Congress of Baptiste Treilhard became a director in the year by